Hi everyone, is my voice audible to you all? Yes, guys, today we'll start a new topic that is direction sense test. Yes, guys, today we'll start. So let us see what is there in this test. Basically, you should have a knowledge of the directions, right? Like your north direction, your west direction, east direction, like that. So, okay, let's start this topic. There are mainly four main directions: east, west, north, and south. East and west, as well as north and south, are opposite to each other. The directions are like like the Cartesian plane, right? Like the Cartesian plane, we have a direction north, and opposite to it is south, and towards the left it's west and east, right? Okay, if I just, it's basically a Cartesian. If I just say that a point is there, let's say, what will be the location of this point? Direction, where direction is used? Direction is used for locating or mapping, right? Where direction is used in for mapping. If I say that is a point is there, and what will be the direction of that point? So that point will be in northeast direction, right? Similar way, southwest, northwest, and your southeast, right? The sun always rises in the east and sets in the west. I think this already we know. Sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Sun rises in the east and sets in the west, right? Okay. Four other directions. There are four other directions which are also called sub-main direction, because your main direction are what? North, south, west, and east. They are sub-main direction. Basically, uh, like the sub-main directions, they lie in between those main directions, right? Like your this is northeast, northwest, then southwest, then southeast, right? If this is your diagram, this is north, south, your west, and east. Then that will be your northeast, that will be your southwest, this will be your northwest, and this will be your southeast. Yeah, kindly please reply in the chat if my voice is visible, audible, and the screen is visible. Tell in the chat, guys. Okay, after this, the directions, what we have the two cyclic direction. I think this you already know. The two cyclic direction, either we if we have two circles, right? If we want to move in a circle, then we can have only two directions. One is if we move a clockwise direction like this way, right? How the clock moves? Clock moves in this direction. Like this is 12, then 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6. So clock moves in this direction. This is clockwise. What is anti-clockwise? Opposite to it, if you're moving in this, opposite to it will be uh, this way, right? You're moving in this direction. This is anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise is what? Which is basically the reverse of clockwise direction. So the clockwise direction and the anti-clockwise direction are these. So the two cyclic directions, namely clockwise and anti-clockwise, the direction of moving clock hands is called the clockwise direction, while its opposite direction is called anti-clockwise. We'll see that how the questions are given to us, right? Based on the direction, we have studied for north, east, west, south, and these two directions. What we have, okay, right? So three basically simple terms we have studied. Now let's do some questions. Okay, do this question. Example number one. Mohit walks 6 kilometers to the east and turns to the south and walks 5 kilometers. Again, he turns to the east and walks 6 kilometers. Then next, he turned northwards and walked 10 kilometers. How far is he from the starting point? Very good question to understand. The direction says, right? Is it clear? Okay, Mohit walks 6 kilometers to the east. Let's say this is the central point, right? Mohit is now, let's say this A point. Okay, okay, forget about this. Let's say this point is your A point. Mohit is right now here. He walks 6 kilometers to the east. He will walk where is direction. This is north, opposite is south, this is west, and this is east. So he will go to the right. This is east direction, and he walks 6 kilometers. He walks 6 kilometers to the east and turns to the south. Then he turns to the south and walk 5 kilometers. He turns to the south and walk 5 kilometers. Right? Again, he turns to the east. Again, he turns to the east and walks 6 kilometers. Okay, when you are facing your south, when you are facing your south and wants to turn for the, again he turns to the east and walks 6 kilometers. So it will be like 6 kilometers from here. And next he turn northwards 10 kilometers. So this is 5. It means like he will reach here because this is 10 kilometers. 5 till from, let's say this point is B and this point is C, right? So from your BD is your 5 kilometers. Your BC will also be the rest 5 kilometers and walks 10 kilometers. How far is he from the starting point? Okay, starting point here is your A. What is the distance of from your A to the point of C? Basically, the question is asking for this distance, right? If I just construct this line also, then you AB is your 12. Your AB is your 12 distance, right? Total distance 12, and BC is only 5 distance, right? So with the help of Pythagoras theorem, your AC square will be equal to 12 square, 144, plus 5 square, 25. AC square will be equal to 169. Therefore, AC will be equal to, as you are taking the distance, it will be 13 kilometers. Tell me, is that question clear? The distance will be 13 kilometers from the starting point. Guys, reply in the chat if this is clear. First, do it. Tell me in the chat whether this question is clear or not. Yes. Okay. Alright, do not go with the diagram. Like I have just made another diagram of my own. Nah. Why would I just see the answer and all? You can name by itself, right? Okay. Okay. Now the questions will be for you, right? Okay. Next type of question let's discuss. A man is facing northwest. A man is facing northwest. He turns 90° in the clockwise direction. Okay, this question is mixed of your main direction, northwest, north, south, west, east, and the clockwise and the anti-clockwise directions. Okay, these are the mixed question of both of them. A man is facing northwest, basically. Okay, let me just draw a diagram. Where is northwest? This is north, this is west. Sorry, this is west. And let's say this is your northwest direction, right? This is northwest direction. Now he turns in the clockwise direction 90°, right? So 90° will be like this. So this is what your northeast direction. Now he has moved clockwise direction 90°. He will reach for northeast. Then 135 in the anti-clockwise direction. Then he will move backward 135 direction, right? In the anti-clockwise direction. So he will move like this, right? So 90, okay, till he moved to 90, he will reach for northwest. Then what more? 45 more. So 45 more will be your, this will be your 45. This is also a 45, right? So 90 plus 45 is what? 135. So he will reach for the west. So the answer will be west. In which direction he is facing now? He will face now west. Is that clear or not? Yeah, definitely. 135 minus 90, that is 45 direction, right? Like firstly he was in northwest direction, northwest, then he turns clockwise, then he turns anti-clockwise, so he will cover the same 90 in the same direction, right? And the 45 more in the anti-clockwise direction, and the 45 more will be a west. Is it clear? Is it clear to everyone? Yeah, right. Okay, one more question. A person starts from point A and travels 3 kilometers eastward, basically moving for east. Okay, let's say this is your point, starts from your point A. He moves 3 kilometers to east, okay, to B, right? Then he turns left. You suppose that you are standing on your that point B, and you are facing this east direction. Then you have to turns left. Where you will move? You will move to upward direction and travel thrice that of the distance to reach C. Basically, thrice distance of 3 will be 9 kilometers, so he will reach to C 9 kilometers. He again turned left. Now, suppose you are sitting at the point C, what will be the left? This direction, and travels 5 times the distance he covered from A to B. It means he has covered here 15 kilometers because the distance of A to B is 3, and the 5 times is 15. From A to B and reach its destination. This is your destination D point. Find the shortest distance between the starting point and the destination. Okay. The question is saying that we have to find the distance of this from A point to D point, right? How you will gonna find this distance AD with the help of Pythagoras, right? If we just see, if we just draw just at this point, let's say this point is E. Your AE is 9 kilometers, right? Okay, is DE will be 12 kilometers, though it is not clearly visible in the diagram, but it will be 12 kilometer because the CD is 15 and your AB is 3, it will become a parallelogram. So this distance is 12. So with the help of Pythagoras theorem, your AD square will be equal to 12 square plus 9 square, right? And if you just do, your 12 square is 144 plus 9 to 10, 81. It will have 225 AD square, right? From here, your AD will came out 50. Is that is clear? That the distance from A to D will be your 15. Yes, the CB will be 9 and EA will be, yes, 9. Yeah. Not because of triangle, but because of your parallelogram, right? Your ABCE will be a parallelogram. So the distance will be 9 and 9. Opposite sides are equal in parallelogram and parallel also, right? Okay, Ritik, is that clear? Jatin, Arshia, Aditya. Okay, guys. So the distance will be 15 kilometers. Is that clear or not? Nandini, Aditya. Okay. Okay. One important question also. A watch shows 4:30. Okay, let me just, let's say this is your watch. This is 12. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11, right? Let's say this is a watch. Okay, a watch shows 4:30. How 4:30 show? The hand clock will be, okay, how 4:30? Hand clock will be at 4 and the minute hand will be at 6. This is what 4:30 means, right? If the minute hand points east, the question is saying that this point, the minute one, is east now. What will be the hour hand point? If you consider this direction as east, then what will be your minute hand? Sorry, your hour hand, right? If this is east, then the opposite of it will be your west. Is that clear or not? Let's see how that this is north, this is south. Generally, we have this direction west, east. We have east, then the clockwise 90, we have south. Clockwise 90, we have south, so this will be south. And the opposite of south is what? North. What is the your our hand is showing the direction? It is showing the northeast. It is showing northeast. Is it clear or not? Okay, in these types of question, right? Whatever the question is saying, just first draw the diagram, understand carefully. It is saying that the minute hand, the minute needle, right, is showing the new direction of east. What will be the our hand? So the east, the opposite will be west, right? And from east, if you just move clockwise direction 90 degree, you will reach to south. It means your 9 will be south and 3 will be your north. So what is 4 here? 4 will be in direction of northeast. Is that clear? So the option 4 will be right answer. Option 4 will be right answer. Then is that clear or not? Riza, Jatin, Sam Thomas, Ritik, Aditya. Okay. Okay, guys. To everyone, is this clear? Otherwise, I can send one more time. Right? Ashia Khan. Okay, okay, then. Okay, guys, I have few questions for you to solve, right? Take your time and solve fast. Question number 1, question number 2. Question number 1, find the direction which replace this question mark in the following. Okay, this diagram is given and this question mark, you have to find what will be the question mark direction. Four options are given. Yes. Jatin Panchal, northwest, Ritik, northwest. I have to check this. Guys, reply fast. See, this is north, this is south, west, east. This is your standard diagram, right? Always remember this diagram. Now what? In this question, this is south, so the opposite will be a north, right? If opposite is north and the clockwise to north is east, if I move clockwise, then it will be east. This will be your east and this will be your west. What is this question mark showing? Question mark is showing north, north. This arrow of question mark is between north and west. So the answer will be second option, northwest. Is that clear? No, north will not be right answer. Your Ganesh. It will be northwest, second option, right? Yes. Okay, question number 2. Find the direction which replaces question mark in the following. Very easy. If this is east, then this arrow will be a west, right? And from west, if you move clockwise, you will reach to south. Sorry, if you move from clockwise from your west to 90 degree, you will reach to north. So the question mark will be north. So first answer, right? For question number 2, answer will be north. Is that clear? These are simple now. This will be northwest. Okay, is it clear to everyone? Yeah. Yes, Jatin, yes. Okay. Okay, few questions more. Question 3. Only give answer for question. Nandini, what? Like for question number 2, not clear. In which question? I'm talking for question number 2. See, west is this east is given, right? Opposite to east will be west. Opposite to east will be west. Now you have reached for west. Now for the clockwise direction, 90-degree clockwise direction, you will reach north. 90-degree from west clockwise direction is north. So the question mark will be north. That's it. Right. Okay, this is a standard diagram, right? Compare each question with the standard direct diagram, like from your west to north, how you will move 90-degree clockwise direction. From west to south, 90-degree anti-clockwise direction. That's it. Okay. Question number 3. Find the direction which replace question mark. If this is west, this is easy. If this is west, then opposite to it is question mark. That will be east. That's it. Do the question number 4. That's your standard diagram, north, south, west, east, right? Question number 4. If this is your southeast, right? If this is a southeast, question number 4. Yes, it will be north. South is, it means this is south, this is east, this is west, and this will be north. This is the same standard diagram. So this will be a north. The question mark will be north, right? Okay, guys, question number 5. Find the direction which replace question mark in the given figure below. Okay, for this question, compare with the standard diagram. What is northwest? In between them, this is the northwest. If you move anti-clockwise, you will reach to question mark. And if you move anti-clockwise 90 degree, you will reach to southwest. So the question mark will be your southwest. Is that clear? Yes, it will be your southwest direction, right? Like from your northwest, just move anti-clockwise 90 direction, you will reach to southwest. That's it. Clear? Okay, solve this question number 6. Always compare your question with the standard diagram. North, south, west, east. Right? Okay, if this is your east, then this will be your west. If you move clockwise direction from west to 90-degree clockwise, the 90-degree clockwise you have north. So the 90-degree clockwise you will have north. This question mark will resemble this north direction. One option. Yes, Anna, Aditya, Joy. Right, guys? Is that clear to everyone? Okay. Okay, let's say this question is question 7 and this is question 8. In question 7 only this is given. ECW means anti-clockwise. Do it. Solve question number 7. From north, you are moving to 135-degree anti-clockwise. This is similar to the very first example we have done. There also we moved to 135, right? Southeast, southwest. Okay, see, that's the north, that's the south, that's the west, and that's the east. Okay. Question is saying that move anti-clockwise direction 135, right? 135. It means this is 90 and 40 more. You will reach to anti-clockwise direction. This is the anti-clockwise direction. 40, 45 more, right? 135 you can write 90 degree plus 55 degree. So plus 45 you will reach here. This will be your required direction. And which direction is this? This is southwest. So southwest, southwest, first option. Is that clear? Okay. Reply for question number 8. Okay, question number 8 and question number 7 are basically the same destination we are moving for. We are at south, right? And we are moving 45-degree clockwise. If you move clockwise, what is the direction of clockwise? This way. This is clockwise, and arrow of this is anti-clockwise. So you will reach clockwise direction 45. You will reach the same southwest. So second option. Is that clear to everyone? Yes, guys. Is it clear to everyone? Okay. Sam Thomas, see, the question is saying, yeah, this is your north direction and you are moving from 135 degree to anti-clockwise. What is anti-clockwise? Like moving opposite to the clock, right? This is north direction. You are moving anti-clockwise. You will move here, right? So you have to move 135. So first of all, this is a 90 degree and 45 more. Then you will reach here, this arrow, and this arrow is what? Southwest. Is it clear now? Sam Thomas, right? Because in this, particularly in the normal questions, right? The normal diagram, the standard one, we have north, south, west, and east. These are the standard one, right? This basically the Cartesian plane you study for the mapping, right? Your coordinate geometry. Your coordinate geometry is also useful for the mapping, for locating of points, right? These all are 90 degree. That's why if I move from north to west, I will have to move for anti-clockwise 90 degree. 45 more, it will be southwest. This is southwest. Is this clear now? Okay. Okay, guys, this is a different question, question 9, and this is question number 10. Do the question number 9. Very easy question, southwest. Then move. Do this question, question number 9. You are at south, you are moving clockwise 135. You are at south, you are moving clockwise. Clockwise direction is this one, clockwise, and the arrow opposite to the clock is anti-clockwise. So you are moving clockwise direction 135. How the answer can be south? I'm talking about question number 9. Okay, this is south. You're moving 135 clockwise. So first you will move to 90 degree clockwise and then 45 more. So this arrow will be your 135 degree clockwise direction. And what is this arrow? This is north, northwest. Just a second. Clockwise direction. No option is there. Oh, yeah, yeah, sorry. This is southwest. I have a zoom. Okay. You are at southwest this way, right? You're going for the 135. So yeah, you will reach north. You will reach to north, right? So fourth option will be right. I have read it as south. What question is? You are at southwest. This is your southwest. Now you have to move clockwise direction 135. So this is 45 and the 90 more. You will, this is 135 clockwise. You will reach to north. So the answer thought will be right. Okay, do the question number 10. Yeah, is it clear now? Do the question number 10. X started walking towards south. He walked. Okay, do this question first. Question number 10. Let's say this is your X. Started walking towards south. He started this point walking towards south. This is south. He walked a distance of 5 meter. Okay, this is 5 meter. And then took a left turn. When you are at facing the same this direction south, you want to take a left turn, right? You will move here and walked a distance of 3 kilometer, 3 meter. Okay, he moved 3 meter. Then he took a right turn. Okay, Let me just show you the diagram. See, let's say this point is X. You're moving first to south and 5 meter, and you took a left turn. The left turn for this will be like this, and walk 3 meter. Then it took a right turn. Right turn will be here, and walked a distance of 5 meter again. Which direction X is facing now? X is facing, which direction is he facing? Tell me, which direction is he facing? He is facing the south one. Yes, he is facing the south one, right? Clear, guys? Okay, do the question number 19. A person starts towards south direction. He is in the south direction. Which of the following orders of direction will lead him to east direction? For east direction, you want to move. First take a right. Sorry, first take a left. Then again take a left. Then again take a right. No option is towards south direction, which is the following: east direction, left, then again left, then again right, left, left, right, left, left, right. No option is there, I guess. Look, I think there is a mistake in the option. Otherwise, left, left, and right. And understand this question. You are facing south, and this is your north. Sorry, this is your east. How you will reach? First, you will move. Let's suppose you are driving a car. You will move to the. This will be your left, right? This will be your left. Then you will move again your left, and from here you will move to right. That direction will be your east one. So left, left, right. No option is there. Yeah, I think some mistake is there in the option. So left, left, right will be the right. Do the question number 20. Do the question number 20. Yeah, your first option can be there. Very good. Arshia, who said Hana? Yes. We can check for the first question. Left, left, right is also right. But from the given options, right, right, right is also because we are facing south. Now move to right. Here you will move right. Again you are moving to right. Will reach here right. Again you are moving to right. You reach for each direction. Yes, nice. So out of the given options, right, right, right is the first option is also right. Otherwise, left, left, right. This is also right. Right? So many right. Hmm. Do the question number 20. Darsh started from a point A towards south. Let's say this point is A towards south and travel 5 kilometers. Okay. Then he turned right and walked 2 kilometers. So he walked 2 kilometers, turn right, and he turned right again and traveled 5 kilometers. Then he turned left and walked 5 kilometers more. Then he turned left. And this is again 5 kilometers. So how far is from the starting point? Starting point is A, like this point is D. The distance of AD will be this 5 and this 2, 7 kilometers. Second option. Is that clear? Answer will be second option. 7 kilometers. Yes. Okay. Is that clear to everyone? Okay, do this question number 1. Read this question to it. One morning after sunrise, Rohit was standing facing a pole. The shadow of the pole is exactly to his left. Which direction was he facing? Very good question. Very good. Think for the question number 1 and think in place of Rohit, you are there. Okay. One morning after sunrise, you are standing facing a pole. The shadow of that pole is exactly to his left. Which direction was he facing? See here. Yes, guys. See here. Rohit was standing facing a pole. Let's say this is a pole. Okay, like you are standing facing a pole. Let's say this is a pole, right? And you are standing here. You are facing a pole. The shadow of the pole is exactly to his left. The shadow of the pole is exactly to his left. It means you are not here. You are here. Because the shadow of this pole will be like this. This will be the shadow of the pole. And this is your left, right or not? Array, if this is pole and you are here, right? You are here. And let's say you are facing your north. Then the shadow of the pole is at your left, right? Which direction was he facing? You are facing north. You are like you are seeing the north, right? The shadow of the pole is exactly to his left. Okay, Rohit was standing facing a okay. Rohit was standing facing a pole. Okay, this is a pole, and you are standing like you are facing the pole, right? Where the shadow will be? The shadow is on the left, right? On the left. Let's say the shadow is this is your shadow, and this is your left direction even. Let's say this is A, this is B. The shadow is your BC direction. The diagram will be 3D, that's why it's not proper. This is your BC, your shadow is there of the pole AB, and it is at your left. Is the condition fulfilled for the question? One morning after sunrise, Rohit was standing facing a pole. Rohit was standing facing a pole. Okay, Rohit is seeing the pole. The shadow of the pole is exactly to his left. Where is left? Okay. And which direction was he facing? After sunrise. One morning after sunrise. When sunrise from the east and sets in west. It means sun is here. That's why the shadow of the pole will be at BC direction, right? Sun, this is your, which direction is this? This direction is your east direction. If this direction is east, then your BC will be, this is your east, then this will be your west, and this will be your north. So which direction he was facing? He was facing north direction. Is that clear or not? Yes, he is facing north. Very good, Muniraj Ahmad. So yes, east is on his right and west is left, right? Just to show you the diagram, I have. Okay, you are facing the pole. The shadow is like just now just assume yourself you're standing facing a pole. Sun rises, and the shadow of that pole is on your left. It means you are facing the north direction. Okay, let's see. This was your pole, and the shadow was here. Your west direction. You are standing here. The shadow is on the left of it. You are facing your north, right? Is that question clear? Very nice question, right? You can assume yourself. Is it clear to everyone? Yes, he is facing north. The answer is north. Yes, guys? Okay, do the question number 2. Very easy question. Do this question fast. A cat runs 20 meters towards east. Okay, let me just make a rough diagram here only. Okay, see, as in this question, no need for for the distance, right? You won't worry about the distance because in this question only the direction is asking. So cat runs 20 meter towards east. This is the east. So cat run here towards east, turns right and runs 10 kilometer. This is your right and runs 10 kilometer, 10 meter. Then she turns again right and runs 9 meter. Again right. Okay, let's say this is 20. This is 10. Again right, 9 meter. She turns left now. And runs 5 meter. Then it turns left and runs 12 meter. So this 9 meter, again this 12 meter. She turns left now and runs 6 meter. So this will be your 6 meter. Now which direction is the cat facing? I think some mistake we have done. Cat runs 20 meter towards east. Okay. Then runs 10 meter towards, turns right and runs 10 meter, turns right 10 meter. Then she turns right and runs 9 meters. Okay. Then she turns left and runs 5 meters. Okay. Then she turns left and runs 12 meters. So this will be a 3. Okay. Finally, she turns left and runs 6 meters. Now, which direction is the cat facing? A cat is facing to the north. That's it. Cat is facing only the direction you need. You must be focused on the direction only. Which direction is this? This direction. This direction is north. Right? Is that clear? Question number 2, north direction. Okay. Now question number 3, very easy. You go towards north. You go towards north. Okay. Then turns right. Okay. Turns right. Then right again. Okay. Right again. And then go left. In which direction you are facing? It means this direction. This direction is west. So the answer will be west. Only be focused on the direction. Clear? Array, not east. This will be west. North, then turn again right. Then again right. Then go to left. Okay, this will be a, yeah, this is, okay. This is not, he is going to left now. So he will not move like this. He will go to left. So left will be this direction. So yes, that will be east. That will be east. Third option, not fourth. Because he is moving to left. Towards north, then again right, right, left. You are north, then right, then right, then left. You will reach here, east. That's it. Okay. Yes. Do the question number 4. Okay. From his house, Kabir went 15 kilometers north. Okay, let me just make a diagram here. Fifty kilometers to the north, that's in Kabir house. He's moving 15 kilometers north. Then he turns west. Where is west? Here. And cover 10 kilometers. Then he turns south and cover 5 kilometers. This is south and cover 5 kilometers. Finally, turning east, he covered 10 kilometers. Then he turns to east and covers the same 10 kilometers. It means it will become a parallelogram. In which direction he is facing from his house? His house is here and he is reaching here, right? Which direction? This is the north one. So the answer will be third option, north. Is that clear to everyone? Right? Yes, yes, Apratim Tiwari, yes. Hana, okay. Sparsh, north. Yes. Okay. So have you got the concept of your direction sense test, right? Yeah. Yeah, he's on the top of the house. Okay, guys. So that's all for today, right? We can you can practice more questions from the reasoning part from the direction sense test. If any question is there, then we can meet in the next session. Okay, guys. Take there. So then take care. Bye bye. Yes, yes. Thank you, everyone.